So we're here. Let me put the cameras on. How official is this? Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. So we're about to sell the pallets. Apparently the other, whatever this thing's called. Easel's not good enough for Dad, is it?
No, when you're doing a painting, it needs to be in this, needs to be in the middle of your shoulder.
Well, mine's not, is it?
It needs to go higher, higher.
So today we are going to be doing, this is my dad. Introduce yourself.
I'm here, Dad.
Anything else? What's some key information for this video?
I'm your dad.
And what's your occupation?
I am a qualified fine artist and I have a degree in painting.
And you're an art teacher.
And I'm an art teacher.
So he thinks he can beat me.
Of course I can.
So we're in his studio today with his art supplies, so thanks Dad for that. Even though he just got, you should have seen him, he got real triggered when I squeezed some paint out, didn't you?
Yeah.
He got really upset.
Waste.
Don't forget they've got a camera up there.
No.
And you can't look at each other's, try not to look at each other's. Are you
Where are
ready?
you going to put that? We're not going to put him down there.
Head there?
I'm not putting there. I'm going to paint it like that. It needs to be there.
Oh.
Did he put white on before this?
Yeah.
We should have done that.
I told you that and you said you...
Oh.
Oh no.
It's really disappointing we've not got that white on.
Are you joking?
No, I'm not joking. It's flipping annoying.
I told you! Oh flip. You see how quick he's gone?
Hold on.
I'm cracking up because it looks like Dad has some thick hips, but it's actually his overalls that he's like tied in a knot around the front. So apologies that we didn't put the white base on. I know so many people are going to get triggered by that.
I'll tell you what we should do.
Go on.
We should
Go on.
put white on the bottom. Oh.
Dad, this doesn't look like Bob's. Why is this white really hard to like incorporate? For someone this would be good, wouldn't it?
Probably for a 4-year-old.
This is what beauty gurus do to their face, isn't it?
Beauty what?
Beauty gurus. He works so quickly, doesn't he? Slow down, Bob.
Guess what it is yet, kids?
Oh wait.
Pom, pom, pom.
What are you doing? Don't look, because you'll feel threatened, Dad, you will. That's so annoying. Right, we can continue it. So do I wash my brush? Hey guys, welcome back to the painting show with Grayson. We should have done art attack. Oh my gosh, next video we'll do an art attack. Do you remember the ones where he used to do like a full-on floor one? What was his name? Neil Harris? Neil
Buchanan.
Neil Buchanan. Did you like him?
Yeah.
And just beat the devil out of it. That's really the most fun part of it.
Beat the devil out of it.
Is it the bin first? How do you
Beat the
feel
devil
about
out
that? Okay, wait for me. Ready? I'm gonna beat the devil out of it.
Come on, beat it, Grace, beat it.
I just beat the devil out of it. No devil left in this holy brush. To this, it's gonna thin. How did that happen?
Too much on.
It works though.
Is this it? Is this finished?
No, we've got 20 minutes yet. Oh no. Oh, you know what, Dad? Yours looks so different from mine. We're using the exact same colours. I don't get it.
It's just if I was... That's what we should do next.
Go on.
We bake the same piece, we bake the same bread.
Oh, that would be fun, wouldn't it?
Or thing.
Rainbow bagels!
No, I'm not doing that.
You know what, I think I brought it back with that turpentine thing.
I don't think I have, hun.
Joking me.
Right, what's he do next? No, go back a bit, I didn't get that.
What's he doing?
No, go back.
No, he's making a light blue.
Can you go back? I didn't see it.
But he's making a light blue.
Yeah, I want to see it.
I think I'm going to need a louder practice.
A little bit of white.
A white?
A little bit of the blue.
A little bit of blue.
Yeah, I wouldn't do this with a straight brush.
Why?
I think you need a filbert brush. All you artists out there will know what I mean. You need a filbert brush. You get straight lines. Where are there straight lines in nature? You're doing a straight line with a brush. It's not work. It's not good.
Guys, we're really onto the big boy things. We're taking our spatulas. Do you want a spatula?
Not yet.
Well, you've got to. Yeah, Dad does not look like trees, Dad.
Exactly. Looking Bob Ross.
You can't diss Bill Ross. He's one of the most loved people in the world. Did you know that? That's a fact. 2019, most loved person. Joking, I've totally made that up. done them all? That's a joke, isn't it?
It's not all in one hit.
Really?
Yeah.
How does his look so good? Sick joke. His trees look nearly all the way along.
Yeah, I'm doing it different.
No, you're supposed to follow the tutorial.
Yeah, but...
Such an artist, not being able to follow what you're told to do.
Let's have a little evergreen tree. He lives right there. See? Just make a line, take the corner of the brush, make a touch. Make another one, and just sort of work from the center out. There it goes.
To be fair, my evergreen tree's pretty sick.
I had a lady in class one time told me it was like making Z's, the letter Z.
Z trees.
She called them Z trees.
Love it.
We don't make mistakes here. We have happy accidents.
Oh, Bob, we do make mistakes here. This ain't no happy accident.
I missed that big tree.
Yeah, you did, because you were faffing about with things that he told you not to do.
No, I don't have a big fan brush. It's
Oh,
supposed
to be fair, I know you have a moment. Quick movements, he said quicker.
Yeah, alright. Who's got the degree here?
The tree's got a friend. Now, why are you plonking a tree over there?
Because he said...
No, he said he's got a friend here and here.
Yeah, well, I've got a friend. I got a friend over here. I like the balance.
You might add one in, yeah.
Well, sorry, Bob. Earn more money than I ever will, but yeah.
You never
This
know.
little tree has a little friend here.
But apparently he's made more money since he's died than he
What?
ever did in his lifetime.
Like Van Gogh, he must be a true artist.
Maybe that'll happen to you, Dad.
I'd rather have it now.
We're adding what looks like yellow to the trees.
Let's have some fun.
Let's have some fun, Bob.
This is your bravery test. Take the
I don't
corner.
think I need any more bravery tests. Have you seen this, Bob? Oh, this is real some bravery here. Okay. This is where it could all go peaked on. Not that it already hasn't. I don't understand how he does it, if I'm honest. Like, if I put the brush like this, his literally looks like a leaf. And mine just looks like a paintbrush. Do you
Well,
get
he's
it?
making lots of money and you're not. He's gone far too quick. I can't.
No, you are just too slow.
No.
Because some of us have a natural flair for art. If I've managed to do it, then you should be able to do it. Don't look at it! I told you not to
The
look!
tree's not bad on the far left.
This one. This one? Don't look at it. Don't look.
I'm not. Right, sorry.
I was going to say.
Grace.
This is what happens when I'm waiting. I just get silly. You can see Dad is not in a Liverpool top today. He is not supporting Liverpool anymore. He's anti-Liverpool. We decided.
I'm not anti-Liverpool.
He decided he just can't stand Liverpool anymore.
That is not true.
Doesn't believe in them.
Woo!
Thinks they're not going to win anything. So
Wow.
that's the tea, isn't it, Dad?
No, I'm not getting my Liverpool top messed up with blinking Bob Ross paint. No way you can do this in one hit. Can't believe I've wasted all this paint.
You haven't wasted. It's for the good of the video. Okay, a paint company.
Okay,
please.
what we need to do, a little, we'll sell these paintings to the highest bidder.
There's the camera.
We will sell these paintings to the highest bidder and we'll package them up and send them to you. All the money will go to charity of your choice.
Dad, no one will want that in their house.
Well, he's going scraping the sgraffito.
Graffito, we used to do that a lot.
Love a little bit of sgraffito, don't we, Bob? Right.
Are we done?
I'm not really happy with the bottom from the left corner, but...
You stand here. Wait, let's switch over and then look at the other person's. Ready? 3, 2. Oh. This is a bit better than mine, isn't it?
It's a bit dull.
It is a bit dull. That's what it...
It's a bit
It's
dark.
a bit dark, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but for someone
You're
that might...
such a sunny character, so...
Yeah.
What happened here?
Maybe just my dark side
It's
comes out.
sludge.
What would you give that if
Some
someone
of the
did that at
sludge.
art in your class?
I'd give it the bin.
What would you... How would you improve
I'd
it?
wait until it dries.
Mm. And redo
There's
it.
definitely some work on this bottom left.
It's a path. Can you see that?
Yeah, a little...
Go on, critique yours. What would you do for yours?
Well, I'm not really happy with this because it's just a
It looks a bit
mishmash
empty.
of different colours.
I'm disappointed. You ruined
But-
it with that, didn't you, Dad?
Look at this bit.
Look at this bit you
It's
mean.
when Bob put this big tree in. I
You
was
didn't
brave.
even do...
This is your bravery test.
He's done 2
But-
more trees in there, you know.
No, I
Look,
don't like
compared.
it. Yeah, make it. It'll be what you want it to be. So I think,
your world is your own, you are the inventor.
yeah.
What do we think?
Well, clearly, you're going to thumbs up this one, and you're going to thumbs down that one.
Yeah.
You got paint on your dungers as well.
Oh no!
That's why you should wear these.
You didn't even have it on properly.
Yeah, but this is old.
Thanks for watching, guys. Have you had a good time?
Very enjoyable. Bob Ross, 2-inch brush. There's no one else like him. What he does with the 2-inch brush.
You think it's quite a good skill?
Skilled. It's
Right.
too formulaic.
Tell from the artwork behind him that it's a bit more abstract, aren't you?
Yeah. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
And I think that is stunning. Thank you very much. Love you. Are you joking me?
Love you.
You're lying.
Love you. Peace out.
But it's actually love you loads. Peace out. Punks, whatever. You have it. You do your own goodbye.
Hi. See ya. It's been good painting with you. Tune in another time.
And what videos do you want to see from us? I think
I've got an idea to tell you earlier with the gambling that we were doing. Rambling on.
we didn't even talk, Dad. That was silent for like, I don't even know how I'm going to edit
It's
this.
because we're concentrating. Grace needs to do something in her specialism because this is a bit more of my specialism.
And even
I'll
then,
do
look
what she
what you've
does.
created.
I'll still win. So, you know, we could do a plaited croissant, a plaited
It's a bit of product
red,
development.
something of Grace's choice. Although this wasn't my choice.
Oh, you teach me. We do it back to back. That would be fun.
Back to back.
So like you have canvas
Oh,
there,
no,
and you say anyway. It's fun having two cameras, isn't it?
Just don't know where to look.
Do you feel like you're a star on a show?
No.
Peaked
We
on.
could come back tomorrow and do a bit more.
Right, love you loads, guys.
I'm going to use that.
Who's the best paint brand?
Probably Windsor and Newton.
Windsor and Newton, please give some surprise to my dad. It would make his life. That would be the best thing that's ever happened to you, wouldn't it?
And the best thing that ever happened to me.
What's the best thing that ever happened to you?
Getting married.
And then,
Having kids.
what was your favourite kid to be birthed? Huh?
There isn't one.
Really? It's going to be so hefty to edit. I don't know how I got so dirty. Here's one. Oh, Dad, mine's so bad.